Sushi, a delicious dish enjoyed daily by millions worldwide, originated in ancient Japan and started as a means of food preservation. Tuna, a very popular sushi ingredient, never stopped swimming and traveled the oceans in schools of many thousands. This video will show you how to make the most fresh and delicious tuna sushi rolls. Let's start. The first step is to board a fishing ship, since the secret to great tuna sushi rolls lies in the freshness of the tuna. Once a suitable tuna is caught and acquired, the next step is to properly fillet the tuna. Once done filleting the tuna, slice into small dices, move into a large bowl, add spices, and mix. Now move on to spreading a bamboo mat for preparing the sushi. Make sure that the bamboo mat size fits your working area for preparing the sushi. Next, grab some seaweed sheets to spread on the bamboo mat area. Add some rice on the seaweed sheet and spread it uniformly for about ½ inch. Add slices of cucumber, avocado, and other vegetables by choice. Remember to cut long vegetable slices. To make sheets, you can then roll into sushi. After the vegetables, it's time to add in the diced tuna we made earlier. Next, roll the mat to create the sushi roll. Apply the right amount of pressure using your hands. Now cut the sushi roll into roughly 1-inch slices. And there you have it. Serve and enjoy the freshest sushi there is, straight out of the ocean. Liked our tuna sushi recipe? Have suggestions from your own experience? Share it in the comments.